The headline is loud, dramatic, and designed to make people stop scrolling. Karma: Nnamdi Kanu conquers his enemies as Igbo judge rejects Malami N213 bn case. But when you slow down and look at what truly happened in court, the story becomes more detailed and much more interesting than the headline suggests. Here is what we know. In the 213 billion naira asset forfeiture case linked to former Attorney General Abubakar Malami, the judge handling the matter, Justice Obiora Egwuatu of the Federal High Court in Abuja, stepped down from the case. He did not deliver a final judgment. He did not clear anyone. He did not condemn anyone. He simply withdrew from the case and returned the file to the chief judge so another judge can be assigned. This is important. When a judge steps down, it does not mean victory for one side or defeat for another. It usually means the judge believes it is better for the case to be handled by someone else, often to protect fairness and avoid any form of controversy. So the case is not over. It is still alive. It is just moving to another courtroom. Now let's connect this to the name that caught everyone's attention, Nnamdi Kanu. Many people online are linking this development to him and calling it karma or a form of victory. But as of now, there has been no official court decision that says he has defeated anyone in this particular matter. His own legal battles are separate and still ongoing. His case has gone through many twists, including arguments over charges, defense submissions, and court procedures. But there has not been a final dramatic courtroom victory that matches the energy of that headline. So why is the internet reacting so strongly? Because both names carry strong emotions. Nnamdi Kanu is a powerful symbol to many people in the southeast and across Nigeria. Abubakar Malami was a key government figure for years. When you combine both names with a huge figure like 213 billion naira, emotions rise quickly. Social media thrives on that energy. But here is where it gets interesting. The stepping down of a judge in such a high-profile financial case raises serious questions about how sensitive cases are handled in Nigeria. People begin to wonder, will the new judge move faster? Will the case become stronger? Will it slow down even more? These are the conversations happening quietly behind the headlines. And this is where you come in. Do you believe high-profile cases in Nigeria are handled fairly? Do you think powerful names make cases more complicated? Share your thoughts in the comment section. I really want to hear from you. And if you appreciate balanced analysis like this, please like this video and subscribe right now so you never miss updates like this. Let's also talk about perception versus reality. The word karma suggests that someone is finally facing consequences. The word conquers suggests total victory. But in real legal systems, things are rarely that simple. Cases move slowly. Judges can be reassigned. Lawyers file new applications. It is often a long chess game, not a quick knockout match. What makes this situation even more fascinating is how fast narratives are created online. Within hours, a procedural development becomes a story of triumph. Supporters celebrate. Critics argue back. Videos trend, but the court process continues quietly in the background. This tells us something powerful about media in Nigeria today. Attention moves faster than judgment. Emotions travel faster than facts. And as viewers, we must learn to separate what feels dramatic from what is legally confirmed. Now imagine this. A new judge takes over the 213 billion naira case. That judge will review documents, evidence, and filings from the beginning. That alone can change the pace of the case. It could move faster, it could move slower, it could become more intense. Nobody knows yet. Meanwhile, Nnamdi Kanu's supporters continue to watch every court development closely. His name still commands loyalty and strong reactions. Each courtroom moment becomes national conversation. And that is why headlines easily connect unrelated events to create a bigger emotional impact. But let's stay grounded. At this stage, no final court victory has been declared. No one has been officially cleared in the 213 billion naira matter. No grand announcement has confirmed anyone conquered their enemies. What we have is a judge stepping aside and a case that will continue under new leadership. And sometimes that alone is enough to shake the table. Because when a case involves billions of naira and former top officials, every small move becomes major news. Every pause becomes suspicion. Every change becomes speculation. So the real question is not whether someone has conquered anyone. The real question is, what happens next? Will the reassignment bring speed and clarity? Will it add more delay? Will this case set a strong example about accountability in Nigeria? These are the issues that matter long term. If you want us to continue following this case step by step and break down every development in simple language, make sure you like this video and subscribe right now. Your support helps keep conversations like this alive. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think the headline exaggerated the situation? Or do you believe there is a deeper political meaning behind the timing of this judge's withdrawal? Drop your opinion in the comments.